Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on PC with an Xbox controller. First, connect your Xbox controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection, or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on if you choose the wireless option. Your computer should automatically install any required drivers, making the setup process quick and easy. This initial step ensures your controller is recognized and ready for gaming. Once your controller is connected, launch Terraria from your PC's gaming platform, like Steam. Most modern games, including Terraria, should automatically detect your Xbox controller. Look for an on-screen prompt or check the game's settings menu to confirm it's recognized. If the game doesn't immediately respond to your controller, navigate to the in-game control options and select your Xbox controller as the input device. This ensures a smooth transition to controller gameplay. To enhance your Terraria experience, take some time to customize your controller settings. Terraria offers options to remap buttons, allowing you to tailor the controls to your personal playstyle. Adjust the sensitivity for movement and aiming to find what feels most comfortable for you. Spend a few minutes practicing basic actions like mining, building, and combat to get a feel for the new layout. This optimization will significantly improve your gameplay and enjoyment. For those seeking even more control, consider using third-party software like Steam's Big Picture mode or other remapping tools. These programs offer advanced customization options, letting you create intricate button layouts and macros. You can also explore community-made controller configurations online for inspiration and to discover optimized setups. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced Terraria adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.